Hello everyone, welcome back to another Watchin. As you can see, I have been slacking. There are 7 packages here of watches, maybe another pen from What a Pen, but all kinds of goodness. So I would love to hear what you guys want to see. Do you want to see me just do a box opening every couple days until these are gone? Do you want some follow-up reviews in there? Today we are definitely opening up this package right here. It's for a watch that actually launches tomorrow. So I'm going to clear some of this off so we can get to that watch. With all of those other packages out of the way, we can get to opening this one up. Before we get to that though, we're going to do a quick wrist check and you'll see that I am wearing my Mitchell Seco-Graph. This one is still one that I can barely take off of my wrist. There are only a few of these left, and I know I haven't done a full review on it, but it is an incredible piece. I'm going to put the links below. I do believe there are very few of them left, so if it's something that interests you, you might want to jump in on it. Just to give you a teaser before I actually get to a full review on this one, I want to show you the case back and the movement because man, that's cool. It's almost sad that that's wrist side down and you don't get to see that pumping away. Now enough of that, we're going to open this one up. So to be honest, until I pulled out the shipping receipt on this, I couldn't even remember how much I paid for this. This was one that I bought off of Kickstarter. As soon as I saw that they had launched, I was all in. Now, they're going to be releasing these tomorrow, so you can buy one of these starting tomorrow. I think there are possibly some discounts if you sign up for their mailing list. I paid $375 for this watch from the Electricianz. Now, I have another watch from them. That was the Mokaz, and I flippin' loved it. I don't even remember what color of this watch I got, so I'm pretty excited to see myself. I don't really know the specs. I know that this is their new hybrid mechanical watch. And crazily enough, I've had this sitting here just begging me to open it. And I didn't want to do it until I could get the camera out. So let's take a look at that. Looks like we got a plastic over the lens. Man, how flippin' cool does that dial look? I don't know if it gets a whole lot cooler than that. You can see a little bit through the case back itself. This one is, what does it say? Hybrid time display, lithium battery. Let's take that off too. Sometimes the plastic on the back. Flashing time beat Z series. Look at the case on that. Very cool finish on the case. Look at the crystal. Man, like I said, I honestly don't know the specs really. I forgot what color I got, and I am digging it. Got a little bit of blue on the strap itself. Pretty nice strap. The buckle matches the case color. Let's see here. What do we got? All right, so I got the red light one, which it doesn't show up very good with the lights on. So let's turn the lights off really quick and take a look at it. There we go. Oh, that's cool. The lights light up as they go around. And then off. Go one more time. Man, that looks so cool at night. I can't wait to see it actually from behind the camera because I'm looking through the camera just like you guys are. But holy cow. You can see that open heart just beating away. This is such a cool piece. So back with the lights on. And I am already in love with this one. I really love my Mokaz. I think it's a really cool, unique piece from the Electricianz. And I think this one even tops it. I mean, look at that Look at it. It is so cool. I would love to hear what you guys think about this one in the comments below. We're going to go ahead and throw this one on wrist really quick so you can see how it looks on my roughly 7-inch wrist. And there you have it. That's how that one looks on my roughly 7-inch wrist. I can tell you the leather is a little bit stiff, so it'll be nice once that breaks in a little bit more. And unfortunately, like I said, I don't know all the specs on this one yet. I was just so excited to open it up and take a look at it and share it with you guys in case you wanted to jump in on the release tomorrow. I am digging this one. Let me know what you think of this one in the comments below, and let me know if you want me to run through those other box openings I had stacked up here. As always, guys, thanks for watching.